Installation Guide for Scarton Cs-cartaddon. This video contains some basic steps to be followed to install the Scarton Cs-cartaddon. Before that, back up all the files and databases of your store. Click on Add-on, and select Manage Add-ons. Now go to Settings and select Manual Installation. Browse to your add-on zip file. Then click on Upload and Install. Now the add-on is successfully installed. Now click on the add-on settings. Click Settings. Now you need to fill out these fields with credentials. For that, click on Customers and select Administrators. Click Admin. Switch to API Access. Copy the API key. Fill the fields and paste the API key. Click Save. Now the add-on has been installed successfully. Thanks for watching. For any further information, mail us at support@bugtreat.com.